Welcome back to a new video of Storm Battle. We're going to do some Super Smash to test if the volume is right. I want to make a video of it so I can hear if the music is not too loud or my volume of my voice has to go up. I'm gonna do the CPU on 7, I think. And I put them on random. We're gonna do 3 games today, and I'm very curious if the volume is right, because otherwise I have to do it again. Oh, we've got some problems. No, I don't want to. Oh, I lost a life.
Keep your hands and heels on the floor. Hold this pose for 30 to 40 seconds.
Oh, this is not going great.
Now, return to your original position.
Oh, I'm dead, I think. I need help. Lots of help. I need more help. Oh, God. There we go. First match we lost, unfortunately. Maybe the next match will be better. I need some more items to grab. Now she'll get them. Oh, not Ness. It's very annoying that I have Ness. I don't like the character. I choose you! Oh, it's you. I need some help again.
Follow my lead as we work on this pose. Feel your waist stretching.
I choose you!
Now, return
Oh,
to your
I
original
lost the
position.
Pokeball. I lost them again. Very annoying. Move it. Get aside. I need some help again. I like that one.
Follow my lead as we work on this pose.
With all these items, I can't lose.
Feel your sides tightening.
I choose you, Scissor. We, we won game 2. So it's 1-1 now. I need to win the last one. I'm very curious. Come on. I need to stop with the word curious. So annoying. I'm excited. Oh, I've got Min Min. I'm not excited anymore. It's a stupid character of arms. Oh, I managed to kick him out, but oh, nice. I choose you.
Follow my lead as we work on
Oh, it's a Deoxys. Very nice.
feel your waist stretching.
I choose you. Use Tackle Eevee.
Return to your original
I choose you. Beware. Very nice. Nice job, Beware. I like the Pokeballs more, but they are good items. 2-for-1. We did win with Min Min. That's so bad character. I like it. In the next video, you will see Pokemon Legends Arceus, because I'm gonna play that next. And I'm doing a series of that. I'm playing the game again, and I'm excited because I don't know the storyline well. So everything is a little new, like playing a new game. But yeah, who knows what happened in the series? Maybe we get a shiny, or we can put some good fights against the gym leaders or something like that. We will see. See you next time.